this is the Micro Expression slider. This is the 2.0 version. It has 2 jacks instead of 1. These are some of my earlier models that I made. I eventually went with the taller enclosure that allowed me to put the jacks on the top and bottom so you can get them closer to other pedals. So I'm selling off, these sell for $100 a piece. I'm selling these off at half price. These are going to go for 50 bucks. They're easy to attach to your pedal, just a TRS cable going into the Expression jack on the Strymon Timeline. And then the travel of the time knob. So you go from 50 beats a minute to 2,000 beats a minute, and everything in between, of course. Very smooth and even travel. It's not bunched up. Works just like a standard Expression pedal, other than the fact that you can fit this thing on your pedal board easily, and it's easier to move than the time knob is with your toe. You can't slam it with a work boot because you'll break it, but $50, free shipping in the US.